Children, today we are going to see social studies, and I'm going to take social studies for you all children. Today we are going to see our water resources. Okay children, let us start with get set go. Okay, now children, just we'll have a look of this. Fill in the missing letters to complete the names of these water bodies. Okay children, Mumbai faces this sea. Which sea Mumbai faces? The Arabian Sea. Mumbai faces the Arabian Sea. This longest river of South India is also called Dakshin Ganga. It is called Dakshin Ganga. The name is Godavari. Okay. This lake in Odisha is famous for migratory birds. What birds it is famous for? Migratory birds. And the name of the lake is Chileka Lake. The name of the lake is Chileka Lake. Yes, children. Now let us go into the lesson. Yes, children. Water is essential for life. Yes, children, without water we cannot do anything. We need water to drink, cook food, wash clothes, and do many other things. Farmers need water to grow crops. Farmers need water to grow crops. Yes, children. Sources of water. About 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. About 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. There are many sources of water. The first source, we have many sources of water. The first one, rain. It is the main source of fresh water. How we get fresh water, children? Through rain. Farmers depend upon rainwater for their crops. Groundwater. Much of the rain that falls seeps into the ground. This is called groundwater. The water which goes into the ground is called groundwater. Ponds and lakes. Okay children, ponds and lakes. An area of water surrounded by land is called a pond. Okay, an area surrounded by land is called a pond. A lake is bigger than a pond. A lake is bigger than a pond. Rainwater collects in ponds and lakes. Okay, rainwater is collected in ponds and lakes. Now rivers. Rivers that originate in the mountains get water from the melting of snow and rain. Okay, rivers that originate near the mountains, they get water from the melting of snow and rain. Okay, hence they carry water throughout the year. The rivers which are near the mountains, they get the water. This kind of places, these rivers carry water throughout the year. Rivers that originate from the plateaus get water only from rain. The rivers which are on land, children, they get water filled only when rain comes. Okay, they almost dry up during summer. When rain is not there in summer season, these kind of ponds and lakes, they dry up. Seas and oceans. Most of the water on the earth is in the sea and oceans. Most of the water on the earth is in the seas and oceans. However, this water is salty. We cannot use it. However, so much of water is in the lakes, seas and oceans, but it cannot be used. Yes, children. What means of irrigation? Means of irrigation. To grow crops, farmers need sufficient and timely supply of water. To grow crops, farmers need water, and at the proper time they have to have water. Otherwise, the crops will dry up. This is possible only through irrigation. It's only possible through irrigation. There are different means of irrigation in India. There are different means of irrigation in India. Now, wells and tube wells. In villages, people dig wells to bring groundwater to the surface. In villages, people dig wells to bring groundwater to the surface. Surface means the top. Water is drawn using a Persian wheel. Okay, a Persian wheel. Sometimes groundwater lies at a great depth. In such a case, a deep hole is dug. A tube is sunk in the hole and water is brought up using an electric pump. Okay, that is motor. Okay, we fix a pump and water is coming. Okay, that is called like bore wells. Such a well is called a tube well. Such a well is called a tube well. They are widely used in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. Okay, these wells are used in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. Okay, children. Now let's see canals. Okay, canals. In the northern and coastal plains, some canals are dug to take water from the rivers. Some canals are dug to take water from the rivers. When they make a path, water will go through the fields to take water from the rivers to the fields. These are called canals. These are called canals. Now, children, tanks. Tanks. Okay, children. In the southern plateaus, the low-lying areas get filled with water during monsoon season. Okay, the low-lying plant get water. Okay, they get water during the monsoon season. These are called tanks. Tank irrigation is mostly practiced in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. Okay, what irrigation? Tank irrigation is practiced in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. Yes, children. See, this is tube well. Okay, and this is a canal dug from the lake for water to go to the fields. And this is a tank. Okay, tank. So we get water through these kind of sources for in rainy. Now let's turn to page 106, children. See, this is a dam. Dam. Okay, children. This is called a dam. Children, this is a dam. Okay. Now let's see sprinklers. Sprinklers. Okay. In sprinkler irrigation, water from a pipe is sprayed into the air. It falls on plants like rain. It is popular in Rajasthan, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh and Kerala. Which irrigation? Sprinkler. Sprinkler is popular in which place, children? Yes, Rajasthan, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, and Kerala. Now, dams. What is a dam? Have you been to Mettur Dam? Yes, children. Dam. A dam is a very strong wall built across a river to block the flow of water. This water is stored in an artificial lake called reservoir. Reservoir, that is to reserve the water, created behind the dam. The stored water is taken to the fields through canals. A dam is called multi-purpose project. A dam is called multi-purpose project because it is useful to us in many ways. Some of them are useful to us in many ways. Some of them are: in a dam, water is made to fall from a great height. The source of falling water is used to generate hydroelectricity. It provides water for irrigation. Dams provides us electricity, hydroelectricity, and even irrigation. It controls floods. Okay, dam also controls floods. There are many multi-purpose projects in India. Some of them are the Bhakra Nangal Dam, built on the Satluj River. The Damodar Valley project, built on the Damodar River and its tributaries. The Sardar Savar Dam, built on the Narmada River. The Mettur Dam, built on the Kaveri River. The Mettur Dam is built on the Kaveri River. Yes, children. Fresh water. Now, children, words to know. Okay, fresh water. Water that is not salty. Persian wheel, a wheel with buckets attached to it. As the wheel is turned by bullocks, buffaloes, or camels, the buckets lift water. This water is then diverted to the fields. Okay, this is called the Persian wheel. Okay, children. Now you can learn this quick recap. Okay, now you can do these exercises. Okay, just see it, children. I will take the photo. Which of these main source of fresh water? Which of these is the main source of fresh water? A, river. B, pond. C, lake. D, rain. Which is the right answer? Yes, children, D, rain is the right answer. The second one. Yes, children, the second one. Look at the second one. In which of these states is tank irrigation popular? A, Punjab. B, Karnataka. C, Goa. And D, Haryana. Yes, children, B, Karnataka is the right answer. So tick B. The third one. What is a well built across? What is a wall built across a river called? A, reservoir. B, canal. C, dam. D, tube well. And Which is the right answer? Yes, children. C. Dam is the right answer. The fourth one. On which river is the Metu Dam built? On which river is the Metu Dam built? A. Kaveri. B. Mahanadi. C. Krishna. D. Satluj. Which is the right answer? Yes. A. Kaveri is the right answer. Yes, children. Now fill in the blanks. Rainwater that seeps into the ground and collects there is called groundwater. Okay. The second one. Canals which carry water from a river to fields is called canals. Channels. Okay. Channels which carry water from a river to fields is called canals. In sprinkler irrigation, water is sprayed on plants. Okay. A lake created behind a dam is called a reservoir. Electricity generated from falling water is called hydroelectricity. Yes, children, you can complete this.